This Fishfinder is basically X-ray vision. Garmin Striker Plus 9SV review you'll regret skipping. Ever spent a full day on the water casting, waiting, hoping, only to reel in nothing but frustration? You know the drill. You fire up that janky old Fishfinder, squint through sun glare at pixelated blobs, and guess whether that's a fish or a floating stick. You're out there chasing shadows, wasting gas, wasting time, and questioning your life choices one cast at a time. Sound familiar? You're not alone. Every angler has hit that wall, the moment where it feels like the fish are laughing at you from below. And deep down, you know it's not your luck, it's your tech holding you back. Now imagine tournament day. Big stakes. Bigger expectations. You're scanning blind with a basic sonar while your buddy, who used to suck at fishing, is hauling in bass like he's Aquaman. You feel it. The creeping regret of not upgrading. The burn of missed bites. The stress of another weekend sunk, pun intended, into almost. You can't afford to guess where the fish are anymore. Not with waters this competitive, and definitely not when there's gear like the Garmin Striker Plus 9SV out there, turning average anglers into underwater snipers. This isn't just missed fish, it's missed bragging rights, memories, even prize money. Here comes the Garmin Striker Plus 9SV, your personal underwater intel command center. This beast packs a vivid 9-inch sunlight readable display, built-in GPS, and CHIRP clear view and side view sonar that shows you what's under and around your boat in near photographic clarity. You'll see structure, fish, and even that sunken shopping cart down there like it's high def. Plus, with Quickdraw contours, you can map up to 2 million acres of your own fishing spots, no cartography degree needed. And the built-in Wi-Fi lets you connect to Garmin's Active Captain app for smart updates, community maps, and brag-worthy data uploads. This ain't just a fish finder, it's sonar on steroids. With the Striker Plus 9SV, it's like fishing with night vision and a built-in map wizard. No more guessing. No more maybe. Just crystal clear targets, live GPS routing, and maps you can trust because you made them. Planning your route? Nailed. Returning to a honey hole? Marked and ready. Need updates or community wisdom? Wi-Fi's got your back. It's fast, intuitive, and it works in real-world sunblasted, spray-soaked chaos. Whether you're in a kayak or a full-on bass boat, this rig adapts and delivers. So if you're ready to stop guessing and start dominating, you already know the next move. Thousands of smart anglers already upgraded their sonar game, and you can't afford to be left behind. The Garmin Striker Plus 9SV is flying off shelves for a reason. It works. But here's the kicker, availability is limited, and those who wait usually end up watching from the dock. Don't let another season slip by with almosts and what-ifs. Seize this moment. Own your waters. Claim your edge. Tap that buy button like you're setting the hook on a monster base. Join the elite fishing crew who see what others can't, and catch what others dream about. Let's get you catching, not guessing.